Well, just about every day, I'll usually get someone interested in doing LiveGood, work and LiveGood, trying to earn some money. It's just called being an affiliate. And I get it. It looks good on paper, on website. It is everywhere right now. It seems to be somewhat viral, which is kind of cool. And that's the best time to always jump aboard a business or a wave if you're a surfer. And, all I can say is if you do become an affiliate, that you'll have comfort knowing that it's an affordable fee. It's $40 one time, okay? And I'm bringing this up because if it's appealing to you, why wouldn't it be appealing to thousands of other people if you just state simple facts, either by pointing to a link that they click and a video will kind of explain everything for you, or if you don't mind doing a post on Instagram, TikTok, or social media, or in this case, you're probably watching me on, what's it called, YouTube. But if it looks somewhat interesting and appealing to you, either as a product business where you just buy some badass products, or you want to be an affiliate, I have no doubt that you'll be able to find other people that agree. And I think you're the kind of person, you don't want to be bugged. I don't have to do 1,000 videos to you. Maybe I'll do one and say, hey, go pleasewatchvideo.com, watch the video, and if you're somewhat interested, you know what to do. The video tells you what to do. I'm pretty easy to get a hold of, actually, but I don't think you even need to do that. If you're not interested, you just go on your way. If you do get emails every day from our company, and you're like, okay, that one makes sense. Okay, I feel a little bit more comfortable. Okay, I've got $40 and I've got $10 a month. Okay, I can afford to do this. And if you don't want the emails at the bottom, you know how it's opt out. You guys obviously have probably got a million, trillion spams at this point. And it's annoying when you don't know how to get their autoresponder. On our company, it's at the bottom. Just hit goodbye. Okay? So anyway, I think that's appealing. And when it comes to being an affiliate, boy, when it's affordable, it makes you more comfortable because you don't want to join something that's expensive. And let's just say you lose interest because it's summer. Maybe you got a health problem, or maybe you meet somebody and you're excited and you're in love, or maybe you just have a habit of maybe joining things, and within 30 days, you kind of look at yourself in the mirror while brushing your teeth going, I think I did as much as I can, and I don't think I can go any farther. So a buck is a buck. I lost it, but I kind of did my best. I don't know if I did or not, but I'm cool with it. With this company, I think it's kind of a win-win-win because it's affordable. The products are legit. It's all wholesale products. This company, even if the affiliate wasn't around, this company's still doing products at a wholesale level through a membership like Costco or Amazon Prime. That's how I got involved. And when I found out there was an affiliate, I'm like, well, how much? How much a month? How much product do I have to stock in my garage? None. You want to buy stuff? It's like Walmart. Go in, buy, goodbye. You want it again? You got to go, pick up your finger and click and decide what you want. And it's sent from Jupiter, Florida, my house here in Utah. This company's worldwide. Boy, we're only on our 4th month. You realize over 200 and something countries. I mean, 40,000 people in America. That's all. That's nothing. That's only like 1,000 people. Barely 1,000 in each state even know about this. How cool is that? That means they have to sign up underneath somebody. Might as well be me or you, huh? Me? That's okay. If it's under you, that's okay too. Because if I get a little piece of pie from who you sign up, you bet your buns I'm going to go ahead and do my best to make sure you get some nice videos that teach you how to just do interesting things. That's all. You don't have to be interesting. If you think you're not, that's cool. You can just hang out and post really cool stuff. How's that sound? Is that a good deal? We'll make sure you do some cool stuff. That way people come to you. We don't want you knocking on doors and doing anything or over-explaining. We know how embarrassing that can be. That's a nightmare. That's a frickin' nightmare. Anyone that's successful at MLM from the 1950s up to, let's say, about 6 months ago, I'll tell you what, that is an amazing accomplishment. I could never do it. There's no way. The rejection is too high. I know I would cry like a biatch and I'd go through $15,000 of Kleenex every year, going freaky crazy. But with this company, I think that you can do it because if you're watching this video, you've probably made a decision. You're probably almost there. You're ready to put your foot in the water and test it and go, this is pretty warm and it's 5 feet deep. If I jump in, I'm not going to smack my feet on the concrete in the bottom, So anyway, relax. I'm a low pressure guy. I'm not going to make a hype video that says, hurry, hurry, hurry. Don't miss the wave. It does benefit you if you do make a decision rather quickly versus 2 years from now. But take your time. When you go to bed at night, you want to make a decision based on your thoughts and your budget. And if you can afford $50 or $150, you're locked in, baby. You're locked in. And I have no doubt that with interesting video that in my opinion, disclaimer, I'm pretty damn sure you can get your original money out of your pocket back and then some. Because if you think this is interesting and affordable, I know darn well that there's a lot more out there. Because all I do is simple videos like this all the time. They're 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Sometimes I go on and on till the break of dawn talking about other stuff. But every day there's people that are interested that somehow run into my videos on YouTube. I'm definitely not Mr. LiveGood. I'm kind of 3 months behind everybody else that's been posting. But I think even if you posted tomorrow, someone will somehow run into this opportunity based on they need to make money and they'd love to do it at home. And if they can do it for $50 or $150 and they're already watching videos and they don't have to go to college, you don't have to dress up and hang out with a bunch of 18 to 25-year-olds. I'm 2.5 times that. I'm from the 60s. Man, the Beatles weren't even broke up. There wasn't black and white. There was black and white TV. I watched the Brady Bunch and Gilligan's Island in black and white, and then they turned into color. I watched the Brady Bunch get permanents. Do you remember they all had straight hair, and then one season they got permanents? Remember permanents that all the guys would curl their hair? Why am I remembering this stuff? McMillan and Wife, Moving On, before BJ and the Bear. Man, I go way back. Mannix, Canon, Beretta, badass. I love it. All right, anyway, thanks for watching my videos. Do you think you can do this business? I really do. I really do. Can you join and make a decision rather quickly? I think at this point, if you're watching my video to this length, you're probably almost there. So, all right. Well, anyway, I'm going to go get me a little bit of a drink. I'm kind of thirsty after this chit chat. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the inside of my LiveGood. Because if you do pre-enroll and just kick tires, that's cool. You'll probably get an email from me. And if you go ahead and join, you'll get some real nice emails about what to do exactly. Like exactly what to do. If you've never done this, I have instructions that I think that you'll agree with make sense so that you're locked in. And if you just do one post that says, I'm scared, I don't know what I'm doing, but if you click this link, I don't think I'll die and fall over and quack like a chicken. If you do something like that and they click that link, you're done. If they like what they see, they will sign up. Okay, so let's get you to that level. I kind of like people that don't have any type of network or online experience, because when you get your first sale, I freak out. I don't care if it's $25. I think you're like, damn, that is awesome. I know people that have been in MLM 35 years and they never really got any type of traction ever. And it sucks. It's not because of their personality or their intellect. It's just because MLM, the way it's designed, it's a very tough business. So, all right. Well, thanks, kids. We'll hopefully see you next video. It's right above my finger. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.